Hi, this is kavita Saini and I am a legal intern of LEXIS and Company, and I am a law student of IME Law College. And today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is what is OBC Bill 2021. On August 10, Lok Sabha passed a landmark bill allowing state to decide who its other backward classes are. The 127th Amendment, Constitution Amendment Act 2021, restored the power of states to identify socially and educationally backward classes, SEBC, usually called OBC. This bill was necessitated by the Supreme Court's interpretation of some provision in the 102nd Constitutional Amendment Act, which had inserted Article 338B and Article 342A and after Article 342. And Article 338B deals with the structure, duties and power of the National Commission for Backward Classes. Article 342A says that the President of India, in consultation with Governor, would specify the SEBCs. On 5th May, while scrapping a separate quota for the Maratha community in Maharashtra, the Supreme Court had ruled that after a 2018 amendment in the Constitution, only the central government could notify SEBCs, not the states. It concluded that not only the President, based on the recommendation of the NCBs, would determine which community would be included in state OBC list. This interpretation of the 102nd Amendment constrained state government in identifying backward classes and providing them with reservation benefits. According to Constitution Article 15, confer power on a state to identify and declare the list of SEBCs. As a matter of practice, it declares the list of SEBCs and drawn up the central government and each state concerned. If the state list got abolished, around 6-7 OBC communities would have access to reservation in educational institutions and jobs, and adversely impacted nearly 1/5 of the total OBC communities. The NDA government at the center could not afford to upset the OBC community, who form a large constituent of its vote bank. It's more crucial in a state like Uttar Pradesh, which is going to polls every next year. It is not surprising that the union government has recently accepted a long-standing demand to introduce 27% reservation for OBCs in medical and dental courses. The union cabinet reconstituted in July also a significant OBCs representation. There has never been an official count of SEBCs, and the Mandal Commission estimated the share of the OBCs in India's population to be 52%, and the Unified District Information System for Education Plus, which maintains data on schooling including case details and student enrolled in primary school across the country, found that 45% in primary schools were from OBC communities. The Narendra Modi government has been facing heat over its discussion to conduct caste-wise enumerating 2021 census. Several political parties, including BJP's LEJDU, have demanded a caste census, and ironically in 2010, just before the launch of census 2011, BJP leader Gopinath Munde had a strong pitch for caste census in the Lok Sabha on April 1st this year. The NCBCs urged the government to collect data on the population of OBCs as a part of the 2021 census. In 2018, Rajnath Singh, as the Union Home Minister, had said that the next census would collect population data on the OBCs, but the government take U-turn later. The significance of OBCs is the Indian electoral spectrum can be gauged from the fact that all opposition parties, including the Congress, supported the 127th Amendment Constitution Bill, and at a time when Parliament is in the deadlock over the issue of Israel military-grade Pegasus spyware allegedly being used to snoop our opposition leader, government critics and journalists, in response to the Supreme Court interpretation of the 102nd Amendment, the Central filed a review which was dismissed by the top court, and to nullify order, the Modi government introduced 127th Amendment Constitution Bill. The new amendment is designed to clarify the state can maintain the state list of OBCs as was the system prior to Supreme Court judgment. The state list will be taken out to ambit of the President and will be notified by the Assembly, and the NCBs will retain the power to look at the complaint about the implementation of various schemes that are meant for OBCs. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. So do like, share and comment, subscribe the channel. Thank you.